You understand what I concreted over it means? He took the drain troughs out. He took the pipes, the gas, water, electric. It's gone. Well, if you had homeless people squatting, I guarantee you there's no more copper in there. Guarantee you there's no copper.
Hello?
Sean, I'm interested in renting some space from you.
What do you want to rent over?
I'm in the laundry business, Sean. I do coin laundries, and I'm always looking for underperforming locations so I can sign a long-term lease and spend $400,000 or $500,000 on equipment. Looks like this place has had it.
Now the time has come to act, and act fast.
He has a, I think, yeah, he has an occupancy for the laundry, but it's not active. You know that, right?
Yeah. I'm only interested in infrastructure. I'm not trying to buy the business rights. I don't want to buy the building. I'm just interested in talking lease terms.
My mind is aglow with whirling, transient nodes of thought, careening through a cosmic vapor of invention.
Ditto.
Ditto? Ditto, you provincial putz?
If the infrastructure is in place, the gas, water, electric is still there, it looks like it is, then we can talk terms.
I don't know those things, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah, well, I can look at it.
Inside the building. Go look at it. That's why. Feel free to go look at it.
Sure.
But there's a power there. I'm paying for electricity.
You know, you have people squatting in there. You've got homeless people living in there.
No, they're gone. They're done. No more.
When did you get rid of them? Because we were just there 2 weeks ago and they were there.
Where? No. Inside in the building?
Yeah.
Not inside. You mean in the lot?
There's a little Honda Accord there, and there's a bunch of Hispanic folks coming and going, and inside the laundry, yeah.
No, there's no laundry. That's a factory there. My son is using that building. There's no homeless there, sir.
No, okay, we're maybe not on the same page. There's a laundromat there. There's a black fence around the property.
There's a wall on it too. There is a wall, half fence, right?
Right, correct.
That's my property, sir.
Okay, and I'm interested in leasing the laundromat.
The laundromat is not active. I concrete the floor, sir.
You got rid of all the infrastructure. You concreted over the floors. Okay.
Ow! Have you ever seen such cruelty? Ooh!
Right.
Well, I am certain that you are correct, and that's the only laundry with any infrastructure that you've ever had. But the sign is still there.
I'm not in the laundry business. The sign is still there.
Yeah. All right. Bye. Fucking lunatic. Gentlemen, let's take a deep breath. You've never seen inside of this store. All you know is that there's a sign that says Laundromat, right?
We got to see inside of it, but we couldn't see very far because there's somebody that came out when we were there. So somebody came out of there and was like, who the hell is this? You know, got headed out, left. So
that's probably his kid because he says there's no people living in it. Here's the point. That is no longer a laundromat. Now, the worst thing that could have happened is if this guy said, yeah, it's perfect, turnkey, ready for laundry, be perfect for you. What do you want to do? You want to sign a lease? Do you understand why that would be bad?
Because we haven't even discussed anything yet. No terms or anything.
No, because
right?
it's not true. If he said it's perfect, ready to go, the only thing about this laundry is the sign. You're looking at $700,000, including EPA fees, to turn this back into a laundromat. He said, it is no longer a laundromat. I concreted over it. If I were using those terms, I would say I have completely obliterated the infrastructure. You understand what I concreted over it means?
That makes sense, yeah.
He took
everything, all of the irrigation is gone.
Right. He took the drain troughs out. He took the pipes, the gas, water, electric, it's gone. Well, if you had homeless people squatting, I guarantee you there's no more copper in there. Guarantee you there's no copper. You know what copper is, right? Gold, silver, bronze, if you're at the Olympics, copper. It's worth a lot of money. And in the laundromat, there's 2.5-inch pipes that come in from the city side and snake their way through the store, hot and cold, to every washer. The dryers are nothing, that's black pipe, that's steel. Still worth some money, but not as much as the copper. So bottom line, gentlemen, you scouted a store, you were too far away to see what was really happening. The sign was misleading, and you said, hey, let's call this guy. And thank goodness He said, no, it's not a laundry anymore. Because the flip side of that is a landlord that tries to string us along and say, oh, it's perfect, turnkey, ready to go, you can move in tomorrow. And then we start talking terms, but I wouldn't do that. I would make an appointment so you can go visit it. Is there a need to visit it now?
Nope, there's no need now.
Yeah, because he's telling the truth. He'd probably like to lease it to someone, and I don't know what kind of weird shenanigans are going on there with his son and the thing and the dit, but whatever, they're doing some weird shit.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.